Good day to our great panel, Dr. Azwan bin Saped and Professor Madhya Dr. Sharul Azmir bin Osman. Today, I am going to present the progress on PSM 1 and title study on the impact of energy management implementation at UTHM. My name is Lingesh Kumar Analaki Tankavelu. My matrix number is CD190252 and my supervisor is Professor Madhya Dr. Muhammad Kamil bin Abdullah. Therefore, this is my research background of my study. Energy is important in our daily life because it is a basic human requirement. We use energy not only to heat but also to cool our human-made structure. Renewable energy is energy that comes from natural source or process that are constantly replenished. Non-renewable energy sources are formed when prehistorical plant and animal dead and were gradually buried by layers of soil and rock. Energy management is the key to reducing energy consumption in organization. The worldwide need to save energy influence energy cost, outflow target and regulation. The university buildings is one of the commercial building that consumes a lot of energy due to its size and the numerous teaching and learning activities. UTHM has implemented energy management since 2016 and UTHM is making a concerted effort to shoulder responsibility and show concern for energy efficiency. The problem statement of our study is UTHM has implemented energy management since 2016. The following problem statement was created with the assumption that modern technology can improve UTHM by reducing its energy use. The purpose of study was to evaluate the achievement of energy saving in UTHM. The first objective of this study is to evaluate the presence of energy management implementation at UTHM, and the second objective is to quantify the achievement of energy saving through the implementation of energy management at UTHM. The first scope of my study is the project only involve the UTHM main campus Parit Raja, and second scope is the project will cover the implementation of energy management from the year 2016 to 2022. In the study on energy consumption, it has been found that the development of country will affect the increasing energy consumption. The increment of electric consumption in commercial building is increasing with time. This shows the potential entail conducting the energy audit on the building for energy efficiency. Among the type of commercial building, the High Education Institute is one of the high electrical consumption building, including UTHM. The importance of the study is to understand energy management in the role to access the presence of energy management implementation at UTHM and to quantify the amount of energy saved as a result of energy management implementation at UTHM. My first literature review is energy scenario. The electrical utilization on the planet is expanding with times when the populace and total nation output development are common factor driving expanded utilization of power. The more the year coming, the electric consumption increase. As a result of the increase in energy consumption, more energy is required for building and other constructions. My second literature review is standards for energy management and efficiency. Energy efficiency is the use of less energy to provide the same quantity of useful output. Energy efficiency is one of the simplest and most cost-effective strategies. In this case, lighting is a vital feature in every facility, whether residential or commercial, because it's improved comfort and efficiency. Then mechanical ventilation and air conditioning. To ensure thermal comfort within a building in a hot climate like Malaysia, the air conditioning and mechanical ventilation system must operate all the year. Besides that, architecture and passive design strategies. A great architecture and passive design solution work energy efficiency and waste reduction by utilizing high quality, long lasting, environmentally friendly material. Energy management and control system is also increase their energy efficiency in a sensible, regulated and organized way. It creates a framework to developing best practice in energy management. My third literature review is need for approach of energy audit. An energy audit is an inspection, analysis and evaluation of energy flows for energy efficiency in a structure, process or system in order to reduce the amount of energy input into the system without affecting output. Type and method of energy audit is walkthrough, detailed energy audit, investment grade energy audit parameters and equipment, chiller measurement and energy conservation measures. And my fourth literature review is energy performance indicator for building. All of the actions that take place within a structure depend on energy in some way, and this makes it an extremely important resource. And my fifth literature review is building energy index. BI Building Energy Index is one of the benchmarking procedure for investigating building energy execution that utilize kilowatt hour per meter square region of the structure. Therefore, the energy efficiency is an instrument for surveying the energy utilization execution of a structure. EEI is determined utilizing how much energy used in application. And my sixth literature review is energy management matrix. The energy management matrix is made up of 6 columns and 5 rows. Each column addresses one of 6 organizational issues. And my last literature review is measurement and verification. Measurement and verification is the most common way of arranging, estimating, gathering and examining information to check and report energy reserve funds inside a solitary site as an outcome of energy preservation, estimate, set up energy conservation measures. From this flowchart, the first method is measurement tool development. Measurement is the process of observing and recording the observations that are collected as part of research effort. The target population of the research is student and UTHM staff. The questionnaire will be prepared for both target population with a minimum of 5 questions. The marks of the questionnaire will evaluate by scales. The measurement concept research focus on nominal and ordinal measurement. Quantitative research is the best design to easily get responses from students and UTHM staff. After that, survey and data collection. The information acquired to assist the research, the information from the survey is to assist the researcher in the relevant investigation is referred to as data collecting. A questionnaire will be also used to collect data which will be answered by the targeted group. The questionnaire employed is based on numerical scale data and researcher will calculate. Development of the questionnaire. The respondent will be given a questionnaire to fill out depending on their personal preference. Furthermore, a questionnaire was employed in this study to determine the respondent energy usage behavior. To make it easier for respondent to respond, the questionnaire will be divided into 4 sections. A Likert scale is used to assess the importance of several factors for parties involved in office part. After that, analysis. The researcher will conduct questionnaire survey in order to collect data from the findings. The data will display the result in the form of a compound bar graph. As a result, the researcher was able to determine the electrical item type typically used by the tenants. Beside that, data collection. There are two types of data collection, which are desktop data collection and field data collection. The preparatory job for the data collection stage for the through energy audit is desktop data collection. Desktop data collection, it may reduce field data collection by using all data given to the facility. The goal of field data collection is to measure and observe occurrence in the natural environment. The data can collected through interview, survey, questionnaire and observation. And lastly, measurement and verification analysis. Several conditions are utilized and analyze the energy characteristic of buildings. The data provided by Pejabat Pembangunan dan Penyelenggaraan is used to analyze the features. This data will be analyzed as annual energy consumption from 2016 to 2022 in UTHM buildings, peak and peak off hour in UTHM buildings, working and non-working hours in UTHM building, and billing of energy usage of UTHM building from 2016 and 2022. Expected result is through this study, the expected result are to achieve the objective, which are to evaluate the presence of energy management implementation in UTHM and to quantify the achievement of energy saving through the implementation of energy management at UTHM. That's all from me. Thank you.